striking blend of futuristic design and animal-inspired aesthetics, the Nike Air Max DN8 Premium Snakeskin exemplifies Nike's dedication to fashion and innovation. With its all-over snakeskin pattern in gentle light khaki and coconut milk colors, its top exudes an exotic, stylish vibe. The generally subdued hue is given vitality by a vibrant turquoise swoosh. Even when the shoe is at rest, its entire design conveys a sensation of movement and vitality. The sophisticated sole unit, which is driven by Nike's dynamic air technology, is the main component that makes the shoe appealing. This adds a sleek, contemporary edge to the shoe in addition to offering outstanding comfort and bounce. Both modern and vintage components are skillfully combined with a vivid blue outsole and a sculpted air insignia on the heel. Other well-considered features, such intricate tongue and insole patterns and the multi-layer material construction of the side panels, highlight the craftsmanship of the $180